Hook, ever wondered if your Monzo card needs a PIN? It's a question that often pops up, especially for those new to the digital banking world. Let's dive in and find out. Building context. Monzo's digital-first approach. Monzo is known for its innovative, digital-first approach to banking. They've simplified many traditional banking processes, so it's natural to question whether they've done away with the classic PIN. The rise of contactless payments. Contactless payments have become increasingly popular, making it easier and faster to make purchases. Does Monzo leverage this technology and eliminate the need for a PIN? Security concerns. Security is paramount in the digital age. While PINs have been a standard security measure for years, are they still necessary in a world where contactless payments and biometrics are on the rise? The answer, yes. Monzo has a PIN. PIN generation and setup. When you first receive your Monzo card, you'll be prompted to create a PIN. This is a 4-digit code that you'll need to enter when making cash withdrawals or using your card in ATMs. PIN security best practices. It's essential to choose a strong PIN that's difficult to guess. Avoid using obvious combinations like birthdays or consecutive numbers. Also, be mindful of your surroundings when entering your PIN at ATMs or in stores. Contactless payments and PINs. While contactless payments are convenient, you may still need to enter your PIN for larger transactions or if the terminal requires it. This is an additional security layer to protect your funds. Why Monzo might not always require a PIN. Contactless payment limits. Monzo has a daily contactless payment limit. If you exceed this limit, you'll be prompted to enter your PIN. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized spending. Fraud prevention. Monzo uses advanced fraud detection technology to monitor your transactions. If the system detects suspicious activity, it may require you to enter your PIN to verify your identity. Biometric authentication. In some cases, Monzo may offer biometric authentication options, such as fingerprint or facial recognition. These can be used as an alternative to entering your PIN. The importance of PIN security. Protecting your funds. Your PIN is a crucial tool for safeguarding your money. By using a strong PIN and being vigilant about its security, you can minimize the risk of unauthorized transactions. Preventing identity theft. If your PIN falls into the wrong hands, it could be used to access your account and steal your identity. That's why it's essential to protect your PIN at all costs. Additional tips for PIN security. Avoid sharing your PIN. Never share your PIN with anyone, not even friends or family. If someone asks for your PIN, it's likely a scam. Be wary of phishing attempts. Phishing scams are common. Be cautious of emails or phone calls asking for your PIN or other personal information. Monitor your account regularly. Review your Monzo account activity regularly to look for any suspicious transactions. If you notice anything unusual, contact Monzo's customer support immediately. Conclusion. Recap key points. So, to answer the question, yes, Monzo does have a PIN. It's a security measure that's essential for protecting your funds and preventing unauthorized access to your account. While contactless payments are convenient, your PIN remains an important part of your digital banking experience. Call to action. If you have any further questions about Monzo's PIN policy or other security features, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative content. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.